25 teams, 2 minutes, and start your engines.
Robocar Rally is a hackathon, and we're each given a kit with an RC car and some other parts, and we're putting it all together and teaching them to drive around a track in about 24 hours. The cool thing about this is that a lot of the techniques that you use on a little car are applicable to big cars.
So the process of learning essentially is we have a human driver that's driving the car while the car is recording images of what's in front of it, and it's taking sensor readings of the steering angle and how much throttle you're doing. And then it essentially learns on its own how to do that.
One of the things that really helps with deep learning is just having lots and lots of data. What we're working on is trying to get the right data to tune the car so that it drives around the track as fast as it can. Right now we're just trying to get it to stay on the track. So if we can get it to go around a couple of times in a row without hitting anything, we're pretty happy.
The cloud presents for robots an opportunity for learning that is not present in any other animal, in the sense that the cloud is a collective memory of robots, and they can all benefit from each other's experience. And this opens up entirely new possibilities.
3, 2, 1, go!
We're like grandma's grocery store getter, but we're getting there. We should be Porsche by the end of the night.